Hello everybody, welcome to my kitchen. My name is Michael and today we're going to be making guacamole. Guacamole is one of my favorite all-time side dishes to make and I love to eat it. I love going out to restaurants and eating them, and it goes together really quickly at home also. So today we're going to start out. I've already prepared everything, get it all chopped up so we can put it together fairly quickly. I've got a quarter of a white onion. You can use yellow or red. If you use red, it'd be great for a pop of color for your guacamole. I've got 2 cloves of garlic. I love garlic in my guacamole, so I've got 2 cloves of that. Got about a quarter of a cup of cilantro that I've chopped up. This is optional. If you don't like cilantro, you can definitely leave this out. I do like it in my dish. It makes it taste really good. A nice fresh taste to it. And I've got 1 Roma tomato that I've got cut up here. It was a fairly large one, so I'm looking at everything and thinking that that might be enough, but I've got another one prepared just in case as I get it mixed up. You can use more or less as you start preparing this. It's completely up to you as you're looking at things. That's how cooking is. It's a little pinch of this and a little pinch of that, and I'm gonna put some more of this in there. So right now I've got 1 Roma tomato cut up, so we'll see how that works. And I've got 3 avocados. And we won't know about the avocados until we get into those. I have not cut those open because, as you know, as soon as the air hits an avocado, it starts turning brown, so we don't want to open those up yet. I've got the juice of 1 lime already squeezed here, and I've got another lime that I'm going to cut up and squeeze over the top when we're done. And that's all that goes in my guacamole, so let's get started. So we're going to take the dish here. Let me move these avocados off to the side. And I'm going to start with my onions. I'm going to put my onions in the bowl here. Then my garlic, I'll go ahead and put those in there. And now I'm going to go ahead and put the juice of the 1 lime in there so those can go ahead and take some of that juice from that lime there and go ahead and mix that together. And I'm also going to add my cilantro in there also. All right, so let's let that sit. I'm going to work on my avocados. So let's cut these open and see what we have here. So it looks like I've got a good avocado here. So this is beautiful avocado, nice and green. We're going to take the edge of our knife, we're going to pop it out, and it should pop out just like that. So we're going to remove the pit from the olive, and we'll work on the other 2 as well. Look like we've got success with another one. And the last one here. Perfect, we've got 3 good ones. So we remove the pit out of these. Of course, there's always going to be one that's going to be a little stubborn. And then I'm going to take a spoon. I'm not going to use the knife on that. I'm just going to go ahead and spoon it out. I don't feel like going to the hospital today, so I'm going to spoon out the fruit out of the avocado and put that in a bowl. All righty. So we have all of the fruit removed from the avocado now. So I'm just going to take the back of a fork and I'm going to go in here and we're going to give this a good smash on these. Might take a little bit of my knife and go in here and cut that up just a little bit first. Just be careful with that as you're doing that. There we go. That's a bit better. All right, that's looks pretty good. It's not, there's some chunks still in there. Might take it down just a little bit more. If you like creamy guacamole, you can definitely take it and take it down to the where you have a nice creamy avocado, or you can leave some with some chunks in it. I'm going to do about half and half. So. Alrighty. Now we're going to take the guacamole, actually the avocado I should say, and put that in our dish with our onions, garlic, and cilantro. And we're going to take our Roma tomato that we've got. I believe that is going to be it for that one. And we're going to give that a good mix together. Now I'm going to take my last lime that I've got here, and I'm going to squeeze that over the top. And give that one last stir together. And I believe that was a good call on the tomato, because I think if I would have put another one in there, that would have been a little bit too much. And I have one more ingredient that I need to get. I'm going to step off camera just for a second. Let's put a little salt on that. So we'll take a little bit of this sea salt. We'll mix that in, and there we have guacamole. That went together pretty quickly. Let's give it a taste here. I've got some Ruffles chips here on the side. That's so good, I'm gonna have a second. Really good. So give this a try. Leave some notes in the notes below in this video telling me how you like this video. And if you did any variations to your guacamole, like and subscribe, hit the bell down below. I appreciate all the views for the channel and for the subscriptions. And with that, I'm going to call it a day. And here is your guacamole. Enjoy.